What's up, YouTube? All you YouTubers. So I'm on my way home right now, and I got an email earlier today that my new JLT version 2 intake is in. I do have the version 1. I installed it a while back. Loved it. But the new one is huge. And we're going to go home and get this thing in the garage and tear into it. Stay tuned. All right. So I pulled in 2 big boxes on the porch. One was from Factor, which is just a food company we order food from. That one had to be put away first. And now, ooh, yeah, see what we got. Instructions and JLT badge, sticker, coupler, clamps. Oh yeah, there's the new tube. I went and bought one of these, 3 filters. That tube, that. There is the new box and the filter inside it. This thing is huge. If you have the version 1, you know that that's an upgrade. Let's be honest, it's an upgrade. It's nice. Makes a nice sound. But now that is a massive filter. Good job wrapping it, that's for sure. There we go. Oh yeah. That's new filter. Now, let's go put it on. All right. A little size comparison here. I mean, old JLT, new JLT. All right, here it is installed. Now, I didn't show any of the installation because, well, there was a couple difficulties. Number one, JLT's instructions, I couldn't get it to scan and try to get it on their website. I couldn't get to the website. The website wouldn't work. So I thought, well, I'll just wing it and put it together. And then the only other issue or complaint I had was the new hose. The old hose has these nice fittings and snugs up against the factory. The new hose, I threw it in the box with the old in case anybody wants to purchase it for a very reasonable price. The old hose doesn't. The old hose comes with, or the new hose comes with clamps, and well, that's in the old too, but the new hose does not come with any of that, which it's the same length. So whoever gets that is going to be using clamps, and I kept the old version that has the nice fittings. Other than that, it's pretty straight, simple installation. You know, it's JLT, it looks good. It will seal with that thing, which mine old one did too, because I did some trimming on it and got it to fit properly. But anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching. Got to thinking, you probably want to hear some starts with it or a little bit of revs. So I don't know why the light's on, but